And jury selection begins later this week for Robert Seman's trial. Today, he was in court for a final time before that process starts.
Seman is accused of setting a house on fire in Youngstown in March of 2015. That fire killed 10-year-old Corinne Gump and her two grandparents.
Good evening, I'm Dave Sess.
And I'm Mandy Knoll. The process to get Seman to trial has been a long time coming. We're talking 23 months. First News reporter Jerry Ricciuti has been covering this case from the beginning and explains the developments which have led to this point.
It started the early morning of March 30th, 2015. A raging fire destroys a house on Youngstown's south side, killing the 10-year-old girl and her grandparents who were living there. The young victim was Corinne Gump. She would have been called to testify that week against this man, Robert Seman, who was accused of raping the girl.
On literally the eve of trial, hours before this trial was supposed to begin, this victim dies in a fire.
Seman's bond is revoked, and that afternoon, his girlfriend and Corinne's mother is brought in for questioning. 2 days later, Seman's house in Green Township is searched. We learned deputies had discovered the suspect had somehow burned himself and had covered it up with makeup in court.
The state of Ohio versus Robert A. Seman.
3 weeks later, Seman was indicted for trying to bribe his ex-wife to get her to change her testimony about the rape case. But it's not until June the defendant is formally charged in the deaths of Corinne and her grandparents. The indictment carries nearly a dozen different death penalty specifications. Although trial is initially set for September 2016, Seman is brought into court every month for hearings to make sure the case stays on track.
Communicating with your attorneys, all right?
Yes.
8 months after the fire, the house where the victims died is finally torn down, neighbors having to wait until experts finished searching it for evidence. 10 months later, both sides begin jury selection, but that lasts only a few days until prospective jurors are overheard talking about the case and a mistrial is declared. The process is forced to begin again with a whole new pool of potential jurors and the date of February 3rd for them to come in and fill out questionnaires. Individual questioning is to begin next Tuesday. At this point, staff have blocked out 8 weeks for the trial. Jerry Ricciuti, WKBN 27 First News.